Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix corrupted file. The game tried to load a corrupted file and the file name is Pak01.30.vpk for me. Please verify the integrity of your game files and check your disk for errors. So basically what it was for me is the Razer Synapse app was not updated. So go to the Razer Synapse app and completely update it, or simply uninstall it and look if the problem persists or not, or simply close it, like go to Task Manager and then look for Synapse, and it should be no tasks related to Razer Synapse, and then look if you're getting the same error or not. If you're not getting, the app is problem, and for me it was the same, and I read it on Reddit. There is a lot of people experiencing this issue as well. So try without Synapse and look, maybe the issue will be solved. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.